Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can reset the keyboard settings back to the default on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. Then in here, go down and tap on general management. Then tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Next, we go down and tap on reset to default settings. Then tap on reset keyboard settings. Now choose reset. And that's it. So now we have reset all the keyboard settings back to the default. So if you have made any changes in here, everything will be reset back to the default. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.